Hey guys, so Coach Castle here, and I've recently had people telling me, friends of mine, acquaintances, clients, I've been asking them for feedback. I said, so how do you think my videos are doing on YouTube? How do you think my message is getting across? Do you think people understand what I'm trying to say about being efficient with your life, efficient with your brain, efficient with your exercise, don't waste your time, all of these things. And the feedback I've got so far is from most people, they think I'm too aggressive and that I'm too intense. I scare people away. They say I seem to offend a lot of people. A lot of people seem very offended by the way that I speak. So I was making this video to address that. So not to apologize, by the way, not to apologize at all, just to address it. The people I'm interested in helping and the people I'm interested in attracting, these are people who are willing to do whatever it takes. Now, to be clear about that, if words offend you and if words hurt you, you're in store for a really, really fucking hard life. Because guess what? There's a lot worse things than words out there, people. And if you can be dissuaded or offended or even upset by somebody using words to you, I have no use for you. You shouldn't even be watching my videos if they offend you. You can just go back to living your lazy, unproductive life with your lazy, unproductive friends, and you can cry on each other's shoulders and go to your safe spaces and tell each other about how much the mean castle offended you. And I'm good with that because I don't like you people. I think you all need to grow up and understand that words are words. Okay? They have power only as much as you attribute to them. And guess what? When somebody is sitting there with your best interest at heart, they're telling you the truth, the unbiased truth, not trying to force you to do something, no pyramid schemes, no sales, no bullshit. Just here is all this free information that no one else will tell you. Well, again, if you're one of those people who are willing to do whatever it takes, you will listen. And if not, you'll cry and you'll be offended and you'll go back to your inefficient lives, getting no results, being unproductive, being miserable with your loser friends. That's why I am Team 5%. Only 5% of people in the world are actually willing to do whatever it takes. That means no sleep sometimes. That means dealing with negative comments. It means when everyone's telling you no, you say, I don't give a shit, and you do it anyways. I am an intense, passionate, and aggressive person who's always pursuing the truth, who is always pursuing the most efficient way to do everything, and who is doing everything I can to help everyone else who is willing to accept my help. That is the end of the story. You get no apology from me. If you don't like my things, don't watch me. End of the road. I could refer you to many other talented people who are very soft-spoken, very delicate with their wording, very politically correct for you snowflakes. That's not me. I'm for the people willing to do whatever it takes. So, for those of you, good luck, keep going, stay on your grind. I hope you found this video amusing because I know you deal with a lot of this bullshit in your lives too. Ignore the snowflakes. Just ignore them. They're useless. They're losers who need to grow up. Stay on your grind, focus on your mission. Keep grinding, keep hustling, ignore everyone else.